Thank you, Dave. Well, we've seen, as mentioned, a bit of snow up in the mountains so far, but a big storm would really help in getting the major recreation trails open for wintertime fun. Our Mountain Newsroom reporter Spencer Wilson on that story at the top of the Vail Pass Rec area. Spencer, that trail is usually open by now for snowmobiles and snowshoeing.
Yeah, Jim, the National Forest says they try to get that gate open usually by Thanksgiving each year, but this year has been very different. Besides that, they need to be able to groom things before they can open that area up, but that can't happen until more snow falls. They tell me people are disappointed right now, but there's not much to be done.
I think what we've heard from, as far as people like coming into the office wanting to know what are some great places for some backcountry skiing or snowshoeing, it's challenging. You know, the typical places that people often like to enjoy on the district, they're just accessible through hiking routes right now, right? You know, we've started to close some of our gates and timing restrictions and things due to some other resources, but there's still, we're at a point where there's just not a lot of snow where we typically see it.
Adam told me people are starting to look outside their usual locations to hunt down that snow. Now, he does say he's hopeful, and like we've been hearing, snow on the way potentially, and he's hoping all that snow could even have this place and that gate open by this weekend. Of course, hopeful that that snow falls soon. Live on Vail Pass, Spencer Wilson covering Colorado First.